Have you ever wondered where the bones in your ear come from? Well, scientists wonder about that too. For many years, scientists have wondered where the little bones in your middle ear come from. Fortunately, with the use of evolutionary anthropology, scientists have finally figured out the answer. In order to understand how scientists figured out the answer to this question, we must first learn why scientists asked this question in the first place.
In the mammalian middle ear, there are three bones, the stapes, the incus, and the malleus. These bones work together to transfer sound from the outer ear to the inner ear by amplifying the vibrations of the eardrum, allowing us mammals to hear pretty well. However, our bird and reptile friends don't hear as well as we can. The reason why is that they only have one of these bones, which is similar to the stapes in the mammalian ear.
So, where did these two extra bones, the incus and the malleus, come from in our ear that allow us to hear so well? Scientists Neil Anthwal, Lena Joshi, and Abigail Tucker wrote the article Evolution of the Mammalian Middle Ear and Jaw, Adaptations and Novel Structures. In the Journal of Anatomy, they hypothesized that the incus and malleus actually have evolved from the jawbones of non-mammalian animals. So, how did they figure this out? First, they compared the developing embryos of non-mammals and mammals to find similarities in the development of these regions. They saw that the type of cartilage that forms the jawbones in non-mammalian species is Meckel's cartilage. Guess what the cartilage that forms the bones of the incus and malleus is? Also Meckel's cartilage. Gene expression also supports this theory, as the BAPX1 gene is a marker for the genes that control the formation of the jaws in fish, reptiles, and birds. But the BAPX1 gene is associated with the joint present between the incus and the malleus in mammals. If that's not enough proof,
the fossil record actually shows that the dentary region in the jaw of our non-mammalian ancestors has a trough where the incus and malleus used to reside. Over time, the incus and malleus evolved to move away from the dentary region to be used in the ear as they are in mammals today.
Comparative anatomy of living animals can further support this theory.
Marsupials are mammals that finish their development outside of the womb. However, they must be able to drink their mother's milk to continue growing despite their jaws still being underdeveloped. Instead, marsupials will use the joint between the incus and malleus as their primary jaw joint until development of their lower jaw is complete.
Once the jaw is developed, the incus and malleus begin to move up towards the ear to be used for hearing. These are all reasons for why scientists believe that our middle ear bones actually originated from the jaw bones of our ancestors. This is why we can hear better than birds and reptiles. Also, having the incus and malleus move away from the jaw allowed for a secondary jaw joint to be formed, hence why mammals have such a strong lower jaw. Hope this answers the question of where the bones in our middle ear come from. Until next time, goodbye!